Welcome to Episode 8 of the AI Audit Exam Prep Series. Today we are diving into how organizations create and implement AI policies and procedures. We will explore how to build a rule book that keeps your company safe while allowing innovation to thrive. Understanding these concepts is incredibly valuable for your daily professional life. Whether you are an auditor, an IT manager, or a department leader, you need to know how to safely introduce AI tools into your team workflow without accidentally exposing sensitive company data. Mastering this topic allows you to act as a trusted advisor who can confidently say yes to helpful technology while clearly defining the boundaries that prevent costly mistakes. Let us start with the foundation of AI governance, which is creating your organizational policies. A policy is essentially a high-level declaration of your company rules and culture. When bringing artificial intelligence into the business, the very first step is ensuring your new AI rules perfectly match your broader organizational AI strategy. You do not want your technology team pushing for aggressive AI adoption while your policy mandates extreme caution. Think of the organizational AI strategy as the destination you want to reach on a road trip, and the policies as the traffic laws you must follow to get there safely. Every company will handle these traffic laws differently. Some businesses will write a completely separate, brand new manual just for AI. Others will simply weave AI concepts into the current standards and procedures they already have. Before you sit down to draft a massive new document, you must examine your existing information technology and security policies for potential integration. You might find that your existing rules about data privacy already cover most of what you need for AI. Regardless of the approach, management must document their official stance on AI in a formal policy and make sure it is known to all applicable stakeholders. Now we must discuss what actually goes inside this primary AI policy. The document must establish authorized and prohibited uses of AI within the organization. Authorized uses are the specific tasks employees are allowed to use AI for, while prohibited uses are the absolute off-limit activities. Imagine managing a commercial kitchen. Your policy might authorize chefs to use heavy-duty blenders for making soups, but strictly prohibit using them to crush solid ice because it breaks the machine. Similarly, an AI policy might authorize using AI to draft marketing emails, but prohibit using it to analyze confidential employee medical records. The policy must also provide expectations for the governance of implemented AI solutions. Governance simply means the system of oversight, detailing who is in charge of monitoring the AI, how it will be maintained, and who is responsible if something goes wrong. To build this structure, organizations should leverage available guidance, such as generally accepted frameworks. Frameworks are essentially standardized, industry-approved blueprints created by experts to help manage complex risks. Establishing a new AI-specific policy creates a ripple effect across the entire business. When you finalize your AI rules, updates to applicable standards, plans, or procedures may result. Procedures are the step-by-step instructions people follow to do their jobs. If an airline updates its high-level policy to allow passengers to bring pets in the cabin, they cannot just stop there. They have to update the specific procedures for the gate agents, the cleaning crew, and the flight attendants to handle this new reality. In the corporate world, if you implement a new AI policy, your training and awareness plans may need to be updated to ensure organizational understanding of the AI solutions to be implemented. Let us shift our focus to the end users, the everyday employees interacting with these tools. Finally, an AI usage policy should be drafted to complement the main AI policy. Similar to the AI policy, the AI usage policy may be integrated into the organization General Acceptable Use Policy of Information Systems. An AI Acceptable Use Policy, or AUP, provides a framework for the ethical and responsible deployment of AI. Given the rapid advancements in generative AI, organizations should provide clear guidance on AI use that considers a risk-benefit analysis. This means weighing the time saved by using a tool against the potential danger of a data leak. Think of the acceptable use policy like the rules for a community swimming pool. An effective AI AUP should be simple to understand for general users with no confusing legal jargon. The pool rules clearly state which diving boards are open, which is like the policy explicitly identifying approved AI solutions. If a software program is not on that approved list, employees cannot touch it. Furthermore, the organization should provide guidance to end users on the acceptable use of the organization data within said solutions. Can they upload public marketing brochures? Yes. Can they upload unreleased financial spreadsheets? Absolutely not. Finally, training should be provided to users of AI solutions to ensure they understand the AI acceptable use policy before they ever log in. Let us briefly recap the core concepts we just covered. First, your AI policies must always align with the overarching AI strategy of your business, and you should always examine existing security rules before writing new ones. Second, management must formally document authorized and prohibited uses and provide expectations for governance, leveraging accepted frameworks. Finally, you must create a clear, simple, acceptable use policy that identifies approved AI solutions, guides data usage, and is supported by mandatory training. Excellent work today. Remember that all the important topics and concepts from this session are covered in the multiple choice questions on rucloud.com. You should ideally solve the chapter-wise questions to reinforce your learning before moving to the next session. Keep up the great momentum, and I will see you in the next lesson.